Hello, in front of me I've got Redmi Note 12. In this video I'll show you how to connect pendrive to your smartphone. In the beginning, make sure that your pendrive has a USB-C stick and then simply plug it to charging port in your smartphone. And now the pendrive is plugged. Press Explore button, agree and continue. And now you can check the internal storage of your pendrive. You can also do it by going to Files app. And that's it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.